Welcome to Mechanic. Today we have a 2016 BMW i3, and on this vehicle I'm going to show you how to be able to change out your headlight housing for your high beam and turn indicator. Now you can replace these fairly easily without removing the front bumper. It just requires that you undid these three screws here and being able to pull this back, and you're fairly easy that you can replace it without removing the bumper. We do have the bumper off, so I'm just going to flip it around and I'm going to show you what you're looking at so that you know how easy it is to do. So we have our bumper. Go ahead and flip it around. Call this a bumper, but it's more the skin. There you go. So now it's flipped around for us to see what we're looking at. And so we also have sensors back here. So if you need to replace any of those sensors, this is also a good time to be able to do that. They're all your parking aid sensors, alerting sensors on your vehicle. So coming over here, either the left or the right, and if you're doing it on the vehicle, of course you would unhook your electrical connections before you get this far. And then being able to undo two 8mm bolts that hold this housing on here. And we have a tab over here. So we undo the bolts and then just fold it out and be able to remove our headlight housing. And so then those two bolts removed, now we're able to just pull this out, give it a good, once we have it out, you pull it to the side there, and that's how you would remove your lighting assembly here for your high beam and turn indicator light bulb. And so then you just get a new one, a new suitable one to replace it with. And so that being said, then we can line that back up in the tab there, press it over. We have an alignment pin here so that we know that everything should be lined up where it's supposed to be there. And now being able to retighten our $8mm bolts that hold this headlight housing to the bumper skin here for our vehicle. Okay, so everything's tightened up there, and so that would be how you would replace your headlight housing on your BMW i3 of a 2016, in case you need to do that. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.